Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, cold weather package, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.